Hello, this is Stefan Dykes. In this video I will walk you through the new user features of the 12.7 software release of Axis 41 system. In this release we continue to strengthen the connectivity of our solution and enhance its overall capabilities. This includes new features and extended configuration options in both Axis 41 Manager and the Axis W401 41 Activation Kit. I will walk you through the key new features and functions. Privacy Zone, live stream on record. A privacy zone can be set up to alert camera users when they enter a sensitive area. The camera responds by vibrating, beeping 3 times or playing a voice clip. If the user remains in the area for 2 minutes without stopping the recording, a second notification is triggered. In the following example, we set up Axis W401 41 Activation Kit to broadcast a wireless signal every 3 seconds when it's installed in a privacy zone. But we start with the necessary settings in Axis 41 Manager. Go to Camera Profiles, open the camera profile that you want to edit, and go to Activation. In Privacy Zone, Broadcast Response, select Alert. Go to Settings, Camera, Wireless Broadcast. Click Show Key, enter the super admin passphrase and click Confirm. Finally, copy the key. Now it's time to configure the Axis 41 Activation Kit. In the web interface of Axis 401, go to System, Events, Schedules, and add a schedule. Give the schedule a name, for example, every 3 seconds. Under Type, select Pulse. In Recurrence, type 3. Finally, click Save. Now click Rules and add a rule. Give the rule a name, for example, Privacy Zone. In the list of conditions, under Schedule and Recurring, select Pulse. In Pulse, select the schedule you created. In the list of actions, under Wireless, select Broadcast Signal. In the list of protocols, select Wireless Broadcast Key. Paste the key from the 41 system in Wireless Broadcast Key. In Message Type, type 3, which is the unique number for the rule we just created, to trigger broadcast response only for this privacy zone. Finally, click Save. To adjust the reach of the wireless broadcast, go to System, Plain Config. In the list of groups, select Wireless. In Range, set a number from 0 to 30. Set a lower number if the privacy zone is small or if the walls are thin. Click Save. A privacy zone makes a camera user aware that they are entering a sensitive area where recording should be stopped.
Entering a privacy zone.
Live stream on record. It is now possible to always start a live stream when a user starts a recording by pressing the recording button on their camera, ensuring that both actions happen simultaneously. You turn this on in the camera profile settings under Axis 41 Live. In Axis 41 Manager, go to Camera Profiles and select a profile. Under Axis 41 Live, turn on Streaming. To always start a live stream whenever the camera user starts a recording, turn on Live Stream on Record. By automatically starting a live stream whenever recording begins, supervisors can instantly view the ongoing situation without waiting for the user to manually stop the stream.
Connecting to body-worn live. Audio and video recording started. Streaming started.
Don't forget to dock your camera for the new settings to be applied. I hope you found the new features in this video useful. Thank you for watching.